idea where are we going? Saturday, Sunday, because in normally Delhi we are going everywhere. So any guesses? Okay, the hint is my clothes. These kind of clothes, where can we go? And it is what time? 4:50. You guessed it right. We are going outside Delhi, nearby places to visit, and this is our first Tirth Yatra. So we are going Vrindavan, Mathura, and Gokul. So let's go, guys. And it's a sudden. All of a sudden, we were just searching nearby places to go, and then Pranav said, we'll go here. And I was like, yes, let's go. Let's start our Tirth Yatra. And this is all sudden. 3 hours before plan. So we just have one backpack. That's it. No more luggage. All the best. Bye. मस्त गात होतो का?
ओ मेरे बाके बिहारी लाल तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार नजर तो है लग जाएगी
How the 5 AM looks in Delhi. So this is the weather. The mohalla is so shant. Look at the sky. So excited, guys. This is our CP Connaught Palace. Everywhere there are complexes.
Wanna go back to when I was happy. So take me back to California, please. Take me
So New Delhi railway station. Guys, we are all set to go to Mathura. Finally, I'm at Mathura, guys. I think it's in UP. So yes, I'm in UP. From Delhi, I came here. Guys, Mathura. Let me zoom in. Mathura Junction. So we finally came to Mathura.
Hello, Benji, right. अभी दिल्ली से आएंगे आप? अभी से?
Guys, so I'm all ready to go. So let's get started. This is my outfit. Guys, normal, simple kurta set. That's it. Bye-bye. So this is my dear Pranav's kurta set. He has a nice dupatta kind of thing hanging around. So this is the famous of UP here. So I tried this kachori, dal kachori.
छोड़ दीजिए, बस मेरे ऊपर डिपेंड रही है।
वो तो है ही, वो तो है ही।
तो मैं सब कुछ करा दूंगा, जो मेन है ना, वो आपको कुछ नहीं बाकी रहेगा।
सदैव अपने से विलग जो हो उससे किया।
तो अभी पहले योगमय मंदिर ना?
विलग नहीं।
ये अंदर आप जाएंगे ना गलियों में, वो 4-5 मंदिर पड़ेंगे आपको एक साथ ही।
कौन सा?
गोकुल का होली मनाया जाता है। इस फेमस होली है छड़ी होली, इसी जगह पे होता है। बरसाना जाती हैं लठमार और अपने गोकुल के अंदर होता है खड़ी संसार में जाओगे तो आपको कृष्ण का दर्शन होगा। जैसे आपका द्वार
देखा? अरे वाह। So we are at Google.
आज भी है ना इधर 3 घंटे सुबह 3 घंटे शाम अरे कितना अरे गोकुल की आत्माएं होती हैं जो लेडीज भूखा होता है वह लेडीज आती हैं ना वो सब बैठते हैं हरि का भजन करते हैं। पहले के ज़माने में नंद बाबा पूरे गाँव समाज का पालन पोषण करते थे। आज के टाइम में नंद बाबा का ट्रस्ट बनाया गया ट्रस्ट द्वारा इनका भी लालन पालन वहीं से बोलो नंद बाबा की
Jay. Mirabai did first time here. So this is Chaurase and here's where Nand Baba used to stay and that is Gokul where he did Gayo ka daan, Go daan. So that is Balram's temple and his gurus and here is where the lassi is. Na?
मक्खन मिश्री तो ले जाओ 10 रुपए का।
वो गए ना। So यहाँ पे they have kept the laddus of mitti to have it. People were having it as a prasad. Even we had it.
वो मैं नाम भूल गया वो महाराज का क्या नाम था? नहीं आप जिसका बजा रहे थे अभी।
So basically this darshan was for mom, dad and guru. So whatever we did it will go to our mom and dad.
काल सुखावहम।
So this is Yamuna.
ये बात ही
This is
प्रमाण
Yamuna.
दे देती है कि वृंदावन कैसा है। बोले ज्यों-ज्यों श्याम सुंदर वृंदावन में चरण रख रहे हैं पहली बार त्यों-त्यों श्याम सुंदर के रोए खड़े हो रहे हैं। त्यों-त्यों कुंठपति जब वृंदावन में प्रवेश करते हैं तब शुक्राचार्य जी कहते कि वृंदावन ब्रह्मा ने नहीं बनाया है। वृंदावन का निर्माण ब्रह्म के द्वारा नहीं हुआ है, ब्रह्मा के द्वारा।
Apa yang dia? Krishna Janmabhoomi मंदिर। नया तालाब नाम सो तो?
ऐसा ही कुछ नाम था, क्या नाम इसका?
ये-
ये तालाब का उत्तराखंड।
So we went to that temple. There are no phones or anything allowed, so we kept everything here. But it's really pretty. But yeah, there was a lot of sun burn on our leg. So this is Uttarakhand.
ये स्टोरी है मुझे।
So first time they washed Krishna Bhagwan's clothes here, and after that there is the Mela and Janmashtami that happens. So here is the briefing. You can pause the video and see. So first we went to Gokulam, then we went to Mathura, and now we went to Vrindavan. But Mela did We have taken halt on this dhaba for having food. It's a AC restaurant. Let's see. This is what when they said AC meant. The air cooler is the AC here, guys. This is a masala papad. Cheese butter masala, butter roti, and this is our cheese butter masala.
बटर मसाला नॉट पनीर।
Yeah. चलिए भैया। So guys, we are at Nidhivan. This is Nidhivan.
ये अंदर आई वस्तु नहीं 500 रुपये आपको 5 रुपये हम पे ठुका
We are at
Nidhiwan.
यस, ये वही निधिवन है जहाँ पे 6 बजे के बाद आना मना है, बिकॉज जो भी यहाँ पे रहते हैं आफ्टर 6 दे टर्न मैड और दे डाई. एंड ऐसा कहते हैं कि ये जो पेड़ है वो सब गोपियाँ बन जाती है रात को, एंड देन कृष्ण भगवान यहाँ आके डांस करते, मतलब रास करते डांस. सो यहाँ पे ऐसे थोड़े पेड़ बीच में भी लगे हुए हैं. वे लेट मी शो यू. Guys, so I'll give you the summary of what happened. So it was a very sudden plan, and after that we decided that we will come to Gokul, Vrindavan, Mathura, and it was all of sudden, and we landed in Vrindavan, Mathura. We landed in Mathura, and after that one auto, whatever it's called, that small electric it's auto. So where the auto person told us that in 100 rupees, I'll take you to 2-3 hotels, whichever you like, you can book. But since we were short of time, we wanted to see so many, so whichever first came, we liked it and we went, we stayed there. So ours is AC, I'll show you the room once we reach there, 1,500. And at what time we reached, that time only they had just checked out. So, I mean, we just changed our clothes, kept our stuff there, and then we went for the cab. So what that auto person did was, he's like 3,000, he'll show us all the mandirs, which I have showed you in my, okay, I'll show you after this vlog. And all those mandirs in Gokul, Vrindavan and Mathura, he'll show us. We started our journey from Gokul, handing over it to Pranav.
So hello, Radhe Radhe. So first of all, we headed to the place where Lord Krishna was brought up directly from Mathura by his father, and then he was raised there and he stayed there for 11 years. So first of all, we visited Gokul, and then in Gokul we saw a place named like Basuri Kund. Hello, Radhe Radhe. So first of all, we started our journey from Gokul, which was a place where Lord Krishna stayed for more than 11 years, and most of his leelas he performed over there. So first we started our journey by visiting Chintamukteshwar Mahadev Mandir. That is where pilgrimage starts at Gokul, and then we went to Kadam Vruksh. That is a place where Lord Krishna used to sit there and play the musical flute, and he used to sit there and cow, मतलब गाय चराने का काम कृष्ण भगवान करते थे वहाँ पर. उसके बाद then we went to Nand Baba's palace, which was very famous there, and Nand Baba's palace had many rooms where Lord Krishna stayed in their initial days, and there inside there was Lord Krishna and Radharani's temple, where there is a ritual that we have to sit बैठे we have to crawl and go there, and then there is a पारना बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में. तो पारना झुलाने से मतलब जो भी हमारे माता पिता होते हैं, पेरेंट्स होते हैं, उनको पुण्य मिलता है, ऐसा माना जाता है. तो पारना झुलाने का एक यहाँ पे महिमा है पारना झुलाने की. तो वी परफॉर्म्ड दैट, एंड देन वी witnessed many of the other places. Let's say, like for example,
So that temple, right? First, which he is talking about, there are 3 things. So one is your mom, dad, and guru. So it is for that all 3. And we were very lucky. So there is a tile that is open, and that is said to be where Lord Krishna actually, because in that days there was no tiles and all. So that place is actually still open. That one tile, 1 square foot, they have opened it. We sat there, and anyone can sit there. So we sat there. There we were julabbing the palnas, and it was very nice. The god looked really cute and very nice. So yeah, continue, Pranav.
yeah. So there Lord Krishna performed many leelas, and one of the leelas was the Putna, where he was just 1 year or 3 year old, and the Putna, as you all know, as you all might know, that Putna was like trying to come and kill Lord Krishna by breastfeeding him, but he tricked and killed Putna. So that was the place where he actually played all his leelas. So that was initially the Gokul, and then we visited the places where like Krishna Bhagwan used to initially Nand Baba had 18 lakhs cows, But when Lord Krishna was born, he donated 9 lakhs cows, and after that, Lord Krishna used to take care of the remaining 9 lakhs cows.
That's why it is named Gokul. So Go and
Gaukul. It is like Gaukul, like the land of cows. That's what it means.
and the thing was his dad Nand Baba, he was the
Sarpanch.
Sarpanch. So I didn't know this word. Char raste mein, they wherever there is Chauraha, they come, they meet there, and one side was the Gokul where they had done. I have showed you in that video also that they have donated the cows and all that. Another one was where they have lived.
So Nand Baba was known as the Sarpanch of the Gokul at that time, and he used to conduct the Sarpanch, like Panchayat in that place. And also we saw a place like a Chauraha, where Janmashtami has been celebrated, and Holi has been celebrated. Barsana's very famous Holi, Lathi ki Holi has been celebrated in Gokul, and Phoolon ki Holi has been celebrated in Barsana. So that is the context of Gokul. And after completing the pilgrimage at Gokul, we started our next journey, and that was to the very special place which is known as Mathura, as everyone knows. And Mathura, as we know, that it is the place where Lord Krishna was actually born, in the jail of Kanch Mama, the Mama of Lord Krishna. And if you visit Mathura, there is a temple called as Krishna Janmabhoomi. And when you visit Krishna Janmabhoomi, it is a very beautiful place to witness. Like you will be able to witness the Kanch where he used to kill people, and there is a well. He used to kill people and bury there. And then as we move forward, you will find the actual jail where Lord Krishna was born. And as we all know the story of Devaki Mataji, that she gave birth to 7 child, and all the 7 child was killed by Kanch, and 8th child was born. And the moment 8th child was born, Kanch was in a dilemma that he will kill Lord Krishna also. But Nand Baba exchanged Krishna Bhagwan with the daughter of the Devaki ji, and Nand Baba crossed the whole river Yamuna, and then he comes to the Gokul where his remaining childhood was spent. So that is the history of Mathura. We can witness the jail where actually Krishna Bhagwan was born.
And it's the real jail. They have not been renovated it since then. It's the real jail how it was. There is no renovation done there.
Yeah. So then we can observe the very beautiful temple inside there of Krishna Bhagwan, and Krishna Bhagwan with Radharani, and another temple of Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva. And there was places where Yashoda Maiya used to cook the food, and there is also a lake in front of the temple where Krishna Bhagwan's Chhathi, we tell in Gujarati, like when 6 days a born child is of 6 days, they wash their clothes in that well. So there is a kind of ritual in Mathura that every person's child is born and is of 6 days, Chhathi, they visit there the lake and they wash the clothes of the kid. So that is the whole context of Mathura. And we missed today to take darshan of Lord Krishna, like Dwarkadish temple, because it closes at 11 o'clock. So tomorrow morning we will be doing the darshan of Lord Krishna, Dwarkadish.
And now here we are at Vrindavan. So right now we are at Nidhi 1 here, and we have just started our journey. So we are still sitting here and giving you the briefing. And yeah, pretty much that's it. But it's also in the second place, right? Where we couldn't take a phone or anything. Where Mathura, Krishna Janmabhoomi, you can't take phone, shoes, anything. Shoes you can, it's easy. But for phone and bags, you really need to wait in a long, long line. We were lucky enough in the starting to temple, we got a very good guide. And they just take first one was like Jo Dena Hai De Do, and the second one was he told 200 and we gave him, and he showed us pretty much the shortcut of like not going through the starting gate. You can come from back. He took us from some Galia gate, other gate 2 or 3, and it was pretty nice. without any rush, and he knew exactly which aarti what time, so it was very easy. We balanced our time out and saved a lot of time there. And yeah, he explained very well. And near that place, right, there is, if you come back there is this Suadu Kanchki, where the Kanch used to
Khila.
Kanchka Kila. So that means where his mahal was. So basically, yeah, pretty much that's it. And let's see Nidhivan how it is. Bye bye. You can pause this and read. This is in
Andhra and Ashok and do paid Baradesh.
Na. So Perfume Leela is one. You can pause and see. We have done the tika. To remove your chappal here. Nidhivan, we are at Yamuna, and per person it's 100. We are sitting at the sharing one. There are so many people.
First time.
And yeah, first time we are into sharing. And yeah, you can see the water level, it's very close. I think the water is deep here because the water and the boat is very, the distance is very low, if you can see here. Okay, here. So yeah, I think, or there are many people, I don't know, but yeah, it seems nice. There are some nice Bihari songs getting played.
Not Bihari songs. Pakke Bihari songs.
Guys, we got a bike ride from this. I got to forget the place's name. Yamuna to ISKCON. We gave for 60 rupees. We are on our way to ISKCON.
वो जो भगवान की मिट्टी वगैरह खेलते थे वही ना
Drive, we are at ISKCON. How are you feeling? So it's basically this and some other. Yeah.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama
For 550, but we got it for 500. These are lehenga set. Like there will be a top, chunni, and okay, hook done. And lehenga, this top and a chunni. So there are other designs. Thank you. अब कहाँ जा रहे हैं प्रणव हम? बाय बाय.
बाकी बिहारी लाल की
This is Porsche area of Vrindavan.
ये बाकी बहुत अच्छा
So the street is smelling good, full of ghee.
मंदिर प्रांगण में चप्पल जूते का बर्तन है
भैया बताया कि नेक्स्ट डे आ जाएंगे, बट आप आए नहीं तो मुझे लगा कि कहीं बाहर घूम रहे होंगे और क्या। मैं आ जाऊँगा कल